Hey y'all, if you're new here, my name is Alicia and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all the new Kiss imPress pre-glued strip lashes. So if y'all want to see how they work, just keep watching. This might be one of the shortest videos I've ever done, but I had to get on here and show y'all these new lashes by Kiss. They are pre-glued. I know a lot of people struggle with false lashes, especially strip lashes, and I feel like the biggest obstacle is glue. I know most people either put too much, don't let it dry enough, let it dry too much, and it's just a whole big thing, especially if you've never done them before. It definitely takes some getting used to, but with these, no glue required. They are already on the lashes. I have tried, well, I've already tried these. TikTok saw it first, so definitely follow me on TikTok if you're not already. My handle on all my social media is Does It Come in Pink blog, but I also link them all down below in the description box. But I had to show my YouTube family these as well, and I am trying different ones. These ones are a little bit more dramatic, but I feel like they are still not too dramatic. They are the classic volume, and the ones at Ulta, I think they only have 3, but there may be more on Kiss's website. But there are some more natural ones, and please ignore the box, I couldn't get it open. But here's the ones that I tried on TikTok. They are a little bit longer on the ends, and they are the classic wispy, but these I feel like are the perfect natural lash. Like I said, they do get a little bit longer on the ends, and I feel like they are a good length as well. That way you won't have to cut them or anything like that. But I wanted to try these because these are more my speed, and I cannot wait to show y'all. But I have tried the ones that go underneath that are pre-glued. I cannot say pre-glued for some reason. They are the clusters. So anytime someone is wanting to try out false lashes, I always recommend the clusters, but I know that can also be a little intimidating to do underneath. But I will say, if you have been curious about the underneath ones, the pre-glued are a lot easier than the ones with glue. A little bit of a learning curve with those, but these, so easy, and I'm gonna show you. So it does come with this little tool. Let me open this because that plastic keeps being shiny. I'm tired, my brain's not working, so I don't know what I'm trying to say. Glaring. So it comes with this little tool. Have to admit, I struggled a little bit using this to put my lashes on because I just use normal tweezers. So definitely, if you're not used to it, you may really like these. These are good to mash together. That way you don't poke your eye out. Anytime I do strip lashes, I always put mascara on first because it helps to curl the lashes. Plus it coats them and it makes them blend in with the fake lashes a little bit better. Some people will put the lashes on and then do mascara together. I like to reuse my lashes, so that way it keeps them a little bit cleaner if I do the mascara first. Definitely give this tool a try if maybe you don't have tweezers or you can't find your tweezers. I'm just a creature of habit, and I have been doing lashes with my normal tweezers for forever, and that's just easier for me. Okay, so I don't know if y'all are gonna be able to see. Yeah, I think y'all can kind of see how at the top it's kind of shiny. That is the glue. I feel like these are a little bit shorter. That way they work with more eye shapes, because a lot of times strip lashes are longer and you have to trim them. So that is another plus about these, is you probably won't have to trim them unless your eyes are just smaller. I normally put my strip lashes in the center first, but since these are a little bit shorter, I'm gonna put it kind of at the end. That way I can make sure it's far enough over that way. And then you just set them down. You can see that, right? And then that's when you can go in with this tool and press your lashes in with the fake ones. That way you can make sure the glue gets on your lashes. Boom. that is it. I really like these. Even these fuller ones I feel like aren't too dramatic. But see how easy that was? Okay, let's do the other eye. Just in case I was not in the viewfinder. Because I have a mirror right here. And then of course my big mirror, but that is way too far away. Anytime I lean up close to this one, I get out of the camera. So that's why I have my little tart mirror. I'm trying to put it where y'all can still see. And you want to make sure you get as close to your lashes as you can. And then take your little tool and clamp them together, but don't clamp your eyelid. If I wasn't trying to be in the viewfinder, less than 5 minutes. But I was trying to put it on there where y'all could actually see it, so hopefully y'all could see it. So look how dang easy. And I did wear them at work and they stayed on for several hours. I did put the other ones back. I haven't tried to see if I can use them multiple times. I would say that they're like a one and done type thing, but I do like that it comes with 2 pairs. I think they are so easy, especially if you can like actually get close to the mirror. So if you are someone who has struggled with false lashes and you have maybe a wedding coming up, vacation, a cruise, whatever it may be, definitely give these a try because they are seriously so easy. Like I said, I feel like the glue part is the trickiest because you do kind of have to let it dry a little bit to get tacky. If you go in, put the glue on and go right in, the lashes can kind of slide around and that can be frustrating. I know even I have let my glue dry too much and then it won't stick, so I know it can be frustrating. So if you have been wanting to try lashes, definitely give these a try. I highly recommend them, and they are, I forget how much they are, but super affordable. And like I was saying earlier, there are different volumes, but these ones, the classic volume, and I still think that even though they're a little fuller, they still look pretty natural. And then I did really like the wispies as well. Classic wispy. But I like a wispy in any style lash if I'm being honest. But I have linked these lashes throughout the video with YouTube shopping, but I will also link them down below in the description box. I know sometimes that's a little bit easier just to go find that, but you can also find all my links on my Mavely, Shop My, and my LTK, also linked in the description box. But let me know down below in the comments if you have tried these yet or if you plan on grabbing some because they are seriously so easy. 10 out of 10 recommend. But I really hope that y'all liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.